Thank you for watching another MarketBrug video. MarketBrug helps businesses and entrepreneurs understand, enter, and grow in the United States market. We share practical insights, opportunities, and guidance across manufacturing, food and agriculture, engineering, technology, trade, and business expansion. Please subscribe to stay informed about new opportunities and strategies for building your presence in America. In this video, how premium foods, mining tech, and industrial suppliers win in the United States without a U.S. office. International companies that produce premium foods, citrus, wine, macadamias, industrial equipment, mining technology, agtech, or engineering services face a familiar paradox when they consider U.S. expansion. Demand is real and varied, but American buyers reward certainty, local accountability, and quick commercial responses. That combination often leads exporters and technology vendors to consider a full U.S. office a costly and slow option. There is a third path that wins deals while preserving capital and operational focus. Build a professional U.S. presence through local representation and practical commercial readiness. For premium food exporters, the market opportunity is straightforward to state, but complex to execute. Grocery buyers, specialty importers, and food service operators buy on provenance and quality, but they also buy on predictability. A citrus packer or macadamia grower can excite a buyer with origin story and taste, yet lose the listing if the first container misses label requirements, arrives late, or lacks required food safety documentation. Wine brands face parallel friction, varietal identity, label compliance, state-level alcohol regulations, and distributor relationships matter as much as the tasting notes. Industrial equipment, mining technology, and engineering services confront a different set of operational expectations. Sales cycles are longer, technical pre-qualification and pilot projects are common, and after-sales service, installation, spare parts, and training often determines long-term commercial success. Agtech vendors must demonstrate field-level ROI through pilots and integrations with existing farm systems. In mining and heavy industry, procurement teams require compliance verifications, safety case studies, and often tender-based procurement that rewards local support capabilities. Across these sectors, the buyer signals are similar. They expect clear contracting terms, local billing, and a reliable U.S. contact who can coordinate logistics, technical meetings, and after-sales commitments. They are risk-averse about supply interruptions, regulatory surprises, and difficult returns or warranty events. The implication is simple. When you present to U.S. customers as an accountable, organized partner, you shorten sales cycles and increase the likelihood of pilot-to-scale conversions. A practical approach begins with market validation and a staged commercial plan. Start by testing with a small set of target buyers, specialty importers for premium foods, regional distributors for wine, or pilot partners for ag tech and mining. Thank you for watching. To learn more about how MarketBrug can help your business enter or expand in the United States market, visit MarketBrug.com. You can also book a free consultation to discuss your goals, challenges, and the practical support your business may need. MarketBrug, your presence in America. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with other businesses or entrepreneurs who may benefit from these insights.